Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here back again with another unboxing video. But before jumping into the video, let me tell you, I have just received a gift from Quantiphi. So as you can see this heavy box in my hand, so this is the thing that I got from Quantiphi and I am also really excited to see what they have sent me. So without any further ado, let's dive into the unboxing part. Now as we are ready with the unboxing part, let's open the box. Wow, I can hardly believe they have given a bot stone. Wow. So here are some message from the co-founder of Quantify. As you can see, and here we go. So I got a shirt here. So you can see the Quantify logo is also here on the shirt. And the next thing we got is the bot stone. Okay, so let's take it out. Wow, so it's really nice. So you can see the texture, the color, the shape. I really like it. Wow, I'm really thankful to them for this thing. So what else we got here? Let's see. Okay, so this is the charging cable. And what is this? Okay, so this is a kind of manual and welcome card. And okay, this is a warranty card. Wow. So we got a really great thing, you can see. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more such videos for you. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.